channel. If you guys are new here, please do not forget to click that subscribe button down below and the post notification button next to the subscribe button. In today's video, I am going to show you guys how to look from basic to a baddie on a budget. Okay, so if you guys want to see how I got this beautiful look of this navy green, is that how you say it? I was like a navy, of this navy makeup look, or gold. So stay tuned if you guys want to see how to get this look. Stay tuned.
So is it love? Yeah, is it love? Yeah, so is it love? You say that you will love me every night and day, and I promise Yeah, I can even focus on sleeping. You're so pretty, every day I'm thinking. Baby, could you help me, cause I'm freezing. If you want to see me, it's cause you miss me. You say that you will love me every night and day, and I promise you that I will do the same. I know that nobody will love you the same way.
The finishing look of a Baddie from the basic to a Baddie. For some reason I think I look like a brat instead of actually a Baddie, like Instagram Baddie, but I literally look like a brat. Like, do you guys think I look like a brat? Brats, yeah, Yasmin or Sasha or whatever. I really thought it was gonna be really bad, but it's actually pretty good. I actually like it, and this is my first time wearing this kind of eyelashes, and I actually like it, and I'm glad I got it. And its name is Lucy. I got it from the beauty supply store, and I am so glad I got it because this is probably gonna be my favorite eyelash because it's really nice. Like, make your eyes pop. Like, it's really like up there. I'm really liking this. Baddie on a budget. All my stuff I like from the beauty supply store. Yeah guys, so this was it for the video. Tell me what you guys think of the video, and do not forget to click that subscribe button down below and the post notification button next to the subscribe button, and do not forget to comment down below also of what you guys think of this look of the freaking Baddie. Yes, see you guys next time on my next video. Thank you guys.